Hi everyone, and welcome back to my C Sharp series for beginners. In the last episode, we learned how to install Visual Studio and write our very easy program, Hello World. Today, we're taking our next big step, learning about variables. Variables are how we store and use informations in our programs. And I want to say you an important point in the end of video. Think of a variable as a box that holds a value. You can store a number, a word, or other kinds of data inside it, and you can use it later in your program. Each variable has a type, what kind of data it holds, and a name, how we call it. Okay, now let's start. Open Visual Studio, click Create a new project. Choose Console App and name it Variable. Variables. And click Create. The console app is perfect for beginners. It runs in a simple window where we can print and test our code easy. Okay, I first delete all of the code and next write a code and you can do it like me. Int age 25 simple. String name married simple. Double I 1.76 simple. Console dot right line name plus name. Console dot right line age plus age. Console right line high plus high. Okay, let's run the code and you see here name, sorry, name Mary, age 25, and height 1.76. Okay, int means store whole numbers like 1, 2, 3. A string means store text, like names or sentences. Double means store decimal numbers, like 1.72. Equal means assign a value to a variable. Console.writeLine means print something to the screen. And that's it. You just created and used your first